subject for today can be the...
Alright, so today we are talking about stem cell research. So, basically, stem cell research, let's say Mr. Claus here has cancer, and he decides to go through chemotherapy, and it's affecting his bone marrow. Cells aren't reproducing properly. So, they take a baby, or it's not quite a baby yet, it's an embryo, represented here. So they take a baby, basically they go inside and take the cells out of the embryo that match the cells that Mr. Claus needs. So if he needs cells that make more bone marrow, they'll take the cells out of the baby, and this baby, however, will die. But the cells that they have, they will put them inside Mr. Claus, and they'll start working, they'll adapt to his system. The cells are genetically engineered in a lab after they take them out, so the body will not attack them. So then his body starts functioning more normally, and everyone's happily ever after. Right. If you didn't understand from my explanation, here's an animation video that might help you immerse your mind in it more.
Embryonic stem cells are derived from embryos created through in vitro fertilization. Once the egg is fertilized, it divides into a ball of cells. After 4 to 5 days, scientists remove the cells from the inner cell mass region. They are then transferred to a laboratory dish where they continue to grow and divide. By adding different growth factors, it's possible to change these embryonic stem cells into different cell types, such as nerve, bone, muscle, and pancreatic.
Now, I know you all want to know about the controversy over stem cell research. So, I picked out a video from a debate in Ohio that I think represents both sides very, very well. If I do say so myself.
Senator, you and President Bush have often referred to yourselves as being compassionate conservatives. My question arises on the matter of embryonic stem cell research. There are many people today in our state who have Parkinson's disease, who have Alzheimer's disease, who have Lou Gehrig's disease, who just might be helped by federal funding for embryonic stem cell research. Why is it that you have consistently, along with President Bush, been against any federal funding for embryonic stem cell research? Is that compassionate?
For me, it's a matter of principle. I'll tell you what I believe. I believe we're dealing with a human life. And I think the question that is posed is, should federal tax dollars be used to destroy human life? My answer has to be no.
I have in my office received literally dozens of parents who have brought 5-year-old, 10-year-old, 12-year-old children who have juvenile diabetes in to see me to talk about funding for National Institutes of Health, where this government has fallen far short to fulfill, and also embryonic stem cell research. And juvenile diabetes is believed by most scientists to be the disease that is most curable by embryonic stem cell research. And I think if we really support life, if we really care about a cure for so many of these diseases that afflict Republicans and Democrats and old people and young people alike, that we need to give scientists, to open every door for scientists so they can walk through every single door, whether it's adult stem cell research or embryonic stem cell research, and have those opportunities to cure our children, to cure our parents, and to cure our brothers and sisters.
Today can be either a hip and hunting
conclusion, stem cell research has a lot more pros than cons. And it can be used valuably in the medical field to cure diseases and help out many people that don't have the working body parts they need. I thank you for watching this informational video, and I hope you learned something. If you didn't, too bad. You are impossible to teach. Thank you, and good day.